Have you ever wondered how to organize essential oil storage? Stay tuned to discover how simple it is to look like a pro essential oil organizer. If you're looking for an essential emotions breakthrough coach that can help you improve your health, body, finances, business, and/or relationship, then click the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. Stick around until the end to hear how to get my essential oils emotional reference guide. Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. I am so thrilled to dive into a topic that's close to my heart, essential oil storage. As promised, I'm sharing my tips and the magic that happens behind these drawers. But before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell to join our wonderful community. I know I hinted at diving deeper on essential oils, but I wouldn't be true to myself or you if I didn't heed the excitement that I have around the topic of essential oil storage. How do you organize essential oils? Here is where I landed when I unpacked my essential oil storage containers when I got married 9 weeks ago. See these beautiful drawers? I realized that I wanted to maximize the use of my space and have slots that make accommodating new essential oils easy. Given the fact that I had these beautifully built-in drawers in my new office space, I have been dreaming up storage organization ideas, and as I was walking into Costco the other day, I received a prompting to grab some large boxes to use as dividers. So I grabbed these boxes on my way out. They are a great price, they're lightweight, and I've had success making cardboard dividers for my essential oil storage in the past that worked, so why not try it again? So 9 weeks ago, when I unpacked my essential oil storage after getting married, it was a moment of pure joy. Let me take you through these drawers that I have, my sacred space for wellness. Notice these slots? They're made out of the cardboard box that I was prompted to pick up. One key tip is to maximize space by having designated rows. You can see all my beautiful rows here, so that they don't get out of order and all mixed up when you open and close the drawer. It not only looks aesthetically pleasing, but makes adding new oils when you leave a little bit of space at each of the end of the rows for your collection to grow harmoniously. Now here's a crucial tip. Always store your backup supply in a space that's dark and cool. Essential oils are delicate souls, and they thrive in a serene environment away from heat and light. And there you have it, friend! Essential oil storage magic to enhance your wellness journey. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow oil enthusiasts. Let's spread the love. Thank you for joining me in this aromatic adventure. Remember, every drop counts on our journey to wellness. Until next time, stay blissful, stay radiant. Go to the description field for the link to download my free essential oils and emotions reference guide. And bye for now.